Hi everyone, Topology Weaver Rash. Welcome back. I have Teddy here to help me today. And Teddy, we're going to do some math work today. Now, Teddy likes math work too. He loves capital letters, as you know, and he loves the Irish work, but he likes the math work as well. So he wants to sit here for a minute and we're going to show him this work. Now, your mums and your dads will help you with this. We have the number rods in school and they're quite big, long number rods that we have in school. Well, will have these. I gave these to you, and your mums and your dads know where they are. So these are like the number rods, but they're just paper. But they are very like the number rods we have in school. So we're going to build the stairs like we do in school. So you can put out your number rod pieces on a table, might be the best for this. And we're going to use the edge of the table. Like when we were in school, we use the edge of the mat. So we're going to use the edge of the table. And we're going to find the longest number rod. So just going to have a look here and see if we can find it. Teddy, maybe you might help me find the longest one. Do you think this is the longest number rod? I think you're right. So we're going to put this right at the edge, if you can see, at the edge of the table. Okay. Next, we're going to find the next longest number rod. Okay. Now, when we're in school, we always put the red. They're red and blue, aren't they? These little squares are red and blue. So in school, we always put the red at the bottom. Here we're going to put the white at the bottom. Okay, now let's look for the next longest one. What is the next longest one? Okay, let's try this one. Yep, well done. Now Teddy, the next longest one. Let's try this. Well done. So we're building our stairs. The next longest, I think it is this one. Let's try here. So we keep them all on here. It's hard to do because they're paper, so we do our best. Oh, the next longest one. Yep. And the next longest. Now, it is tricky with paper. And keep them lined up. The next longest one looks like this. The next longest. And the very last one. We've got one square here. Okay, so now we've just built our stairs, and one way we can check that we've built our stairs, we can use the number 1, and it should have one square space, another. If you can see, hopefully you can see, just like we do in school sometimes. Square space, one square space, and one square space between them. And we're going to go back, down the stairs to the very bottom. Okay, now, also, you will have at home, your mums and dads can help you, a sheet that looks like this. And on the sheet, we have the number rods drawn out, okay? And we have numbers here to trace opposite them. So we're going to count this one. So what one does this look like? Yes, number rod 1. So I'm going to ask you to go back to the stairs and get 1 and put it here. And then you can practice your writing, okay? And we're going to write the number 1. We start at the top, down to the bottom, and you can write another number 1 and another number 1. The next thing we're going to do is go to the next one here on the page, and we have number rod 1, 2. So we're going to go back here and find number rod 2, 1, 2, and we're going to put it here, match it up, and we're going to practice writing the number 2. And remember how we write the number 2? Our starting point, around, stop for a moment, and across. And you can practice writing 2 more. And then we're going to go down here, and we have number rod 1, 2, 3, number rod 3. So we're going to go back to our stairs and find number rod 3, 1, 2, 3, and match it up. And we're going to write and practice writing the number 3. Again, our starting point here, around the curve in, stop for a moment, back out, and around the bottom curve. A bit like a cut backwards, isn't it? Okay, brilliant. Now we're going to go down here, and we have number rod 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, number rod 4. Let's go to our stairs and find number rod 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to match it up, and we're going to write the number 4. And for practicing that, we start here, and we go down, stop for a moment, we go across, then we lift our pencil, and we go up here and through to the bottom. And we can practice writing 2 more number 4s. And the last one on this page is this number rod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number rod 5. So we're going to find number rod 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put it here. And we're going to practice writing number 5. So again, we have our starting point here. And we go out and back. And then we go down and we stop for a moment and around. Okay, and we can practice writing 2 more number 5s. Now when you finish with this work, I'm going to ask you to take the number rods from the page and to put them back, starting with number rod 5. We're going to put number rod 5 back, number rod 4, number rod 3, number rod 2, remember the white squares are at the bottom, and number rod 1. And when you're finished, you can keep your number rod safely away in the envelope, and you can keep this sheet and you can show me tomorrow. Well done, girls, and well done, Teddy. Slán go fóill. Bye.